Well, RAM is a abbreviation for random access memory. And what it does, it's a memory that it's between the processor and where the processor reads the data or get the command from. By default, you know the answer 3 times 4 is 12. You don't need to calculate it. You've learned it all over again. So more RAM, that means you can store more frequent process answer to it. So the processor will reach out to those answers quicker without needing to process the whole entire thing. So having more RAM, it's obviously helped the system runs quicker and faster. The first symptom that you see when you do not have enough memory is the system is running slow. When you have multiple applications open, obviously it cannot handle that, or when you're trying to run multiple processes simultaneously, the system will drag, it does not perform smoothly.